Hello, how are you? Well, in this class we are going to talk about English vowel number 1, that is long E. Okay, so here you have, yes, the position, the position of this sound, that is long E. This is a front and a close vowel, okay? Why? Can you read here that the front of the tongue is raised towards the hard palate, so it's a front vowel, yes? And the tongue is raised towards a closed position, so it's a closed vowel, all right? For this vowel, the tongue is tense and the lips are spread or neutral. Yes? Okay. These are some examples with usual spelling. That is double E. Alright? Double E. Okay? For example, cheese. Cheese. Then meat. Meat. Double E, right? Sheep. Sheep. Yes? Sleep, sleep, sleep. Then another example with EI, okay? For example, meat, meat. Beach, beach. Cream, cream. Eat, eat. See, see. Leave, leave. Now we have sounds with just one E, okay? For example, evening, evening, yes? Or examples, they are examples of unusual spelling, okay? For example, yes, you have I-E in the case of field, or just one, yes, one E here, one I, sorry. For example, machine, key, key, people, people, kiosk, kiosk, sweet, sweet. Okay, well, that's all for English vowel number 1, that is long E. Then please you have to do the exercises from the book, okay? See you, bye bye.